Hello friends, I'm going to show you the process of how I put some under cabinet lighting in my kitchen here, because what I want to do is I want to put a tile backsplash on. But first, a little history. Back in 1984, my father and I built this house. And from then on, I've been doing a little additions, upgrading, and this is what it looks like today. Well, the first thing you got to do is clean out all the cupboards, of course. Take off the doors. And then put down the tarps to keep everything clean. It's a lot easier when you get all your tools and equipment out on a table to work at. Go down, turn off the electricity, and then start, whoop, that one there.
Not gonna mess with that one.
Now I'm pulling off the window trim so we can work underneath it. Putting some new window trim on after we put on the backsplash. Now that's the outlet I'm going to be getting the power from. It's always better with a new sharp blade on the oscillating tool. I'm using the oscillating tool to cut the drywall out, and what I want to do is I want to actually save these pieces of drywall because I'm going to put them back in. I first cut them out so I can see where the studs are and see if there's any wires back there, because I'm going to be drilling some holes. It's a little tight for drilling holes, but I got them. Now I left enough room so I can feed the wire up underneath the bottom of the box into the box. It's a little hard, but I managed to get it done. Here we are measuring because we want the same distance from the window and from the bottom of the cabinet so that it doesn't look too bad when we get the tiling on. That's going to be where the switch, it's going to have a little outlet underneath it too. These are for the under cabinet lighting, and they're going to be on the switch. They're going to be a switched outlet. That's an old work box. Old work boxes are great. You put them in there, tighten up the ears. Now I wanted to get it nice and tight and snug, so I have to do a little trimming to get that box in there to fit properly. Pry off the rest of the drywall. I gotta drill holes through those studs. The holes gotta be in the stud more than 1.25 inches. You have to put them metal plates on. Luckily I got them over 1.5 inches down. That's for screws, so you don't put screws through them. See, I drill holes in the corners first. This makes it a little bit cleaner job. Oh geez. Yeah, blocking. I hit a piece of blocking back there, so now I gotta whittle it out. That's going to be a brand new outlet there because I just don't have enough on the kitchen counter. And the outlet up in the cabinet is a switched outlet for our under cabinet lighting. Another one of those old work boxes. Wires all run. Time to screw on the drywall again. That's what's nice about saving it. You don't have to cut new pieces. That's the switch and the outlet. Try all the outlets. Make sure they all work. Hey, they all work. Clean up, clean up. Lay out the lighting. Lay out the lights. I got these lights from a remodeling job. I saved them from a kitchen remodeling job, and now I'm reusing them. Thing is, they're used, so you got to make sure they work. Hey, if you liked what you seen on this video, give it a thumbs up and swat that subscribe button. Leave a comment too. There we go. All the lights are installed and it's so much brighter. Hey friends, if you want to learn a little bit more about the building code, check out my website down in the description. Hey, thanks for watching.